If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add a background to the pages in a PDF in Acrobat, either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. If needed to expand the list and show all the content choices, click the More link under the Add Content section in the Edit panel. Finally, click the Background button in the Edit panel and then select the Add command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Add Background dialog box. To choose either a solid color or file to use as the PDF's page background in Acrobat, select either the From Color or File option button in the Source section of the Add Background dialog box. If you select the From Color option button, then click the adjacent color box and select a color from the drop-down that appears. If needed to define a custom color in Acrobat, click the More Colors choice in the drop-down menu to open the Color dialog box. Then select a black cube in the Custom Colors section at the left side of the dialog box. Then use the arrow slider in the vertical slider to the right to set the darkness or lightness, meaning luminosity, of the color. Then click and drag within the rainbow palette to set the desired color. Alternatively, to manually specify a color by values, enter the color values directly into either the hue, saturation, and luminosity fields, or the red, green, and blue fields. To add the selected color to the list of custom colors from which you can choose in Acrobat, then click the Add to Custom Colors button below the palette. To apply the custom color, click the OK button. Alternatively, if you select the File option button, then click the adjacent Browse button to launch an open dialog box. Use the dialog box to find and select the image or PDF file to use, and then click the Open button within it to return to the Add Background dialog box. If you selected a PDF file, then choose the PDF page to use as the background from the Page Number spinner box. If needed to specify an absolute scale of the selected file, type a value into the Absolute Scale spinner box. After selecting either a color or file, a preview of the selected page background appears in the Preview section to the right of this dialog box. To then adjust the appearance for both color and file page backgrounds, use the tools in the Appearance section of the Add Background dialog box. To rotate the page background in Acrobat, enter the Custom Rotation in Degrees into the Rotation spinner box. To set the page background's opacity percentage in Acrobat, type it into the Opacity spinner box, or use its adjacent slider to set its opacity percentage. To scale the page background relative to its PDF page size, check the Scale Relative to Target Page checkbox, and then enter a scaling percentage of the page size to apply into the adjacent spinner box. To set additional page background appearance options in Acrobat, click the Appearance Options hyperlink to open the Appearance Options dialog box. Then check or uncheck the Show When Printing and/or Show When Displaying on Screen checkboxes to enable or disable each setting as desired. Then click the OK button in this dialog box to apply the additional options. To manually position the page background in the PDF page in Acrobat, type values into the vertical distance and horizontal distance spinner boxes in the Location section. Then select a unit of measure for those values from the adjacent drop-downs for both. Then choose the anchor point in the page from which to measure each distance by selecting one from the adjacent From dropdown for both. By default, Acrobat adds the page background to all the pages of a PDF. To change to which pages in the PDF Acrobat applies the page background, click the Page Range Options hyperlink in the upper right corner of the Add Background dialog box to open the Page Range Options dialog box. To specify a page range, select the Pages From option and enter the first page number. Then enter the last page number in the page range into the adjacent To field. To apply it to all pages, instead select the All Pages option. To apply it to only odd or even pages in the selected page range, select the desired choice from the Subset dropdown. Then click the OK button in the dialog box to apply the page background to the selected PDF pages. To save the current PDF page background settings in Acrobat to easily reuse them for other PDFs, click the Save Settings button at the top of the Add Background dialog box. In the Save Settings dialog box that then opens, type a name for the saved settings, and then click the OK button. To apply the current page background settings to the currently opened PDF, click the OK button in the Add Background dialog box. To edit an existing page background in Acrobat, click the Background button in the Edit panel, and then select Update from the button's dropdown to open an Update Background dialog box, which is the same as the Add Background dialog box. Then make any changes to save, and click the OK button to apply them. To then replace the existing page backgrounds in the existing pages, click the OK button in the confirmation prompt that then appears. To remove a page background from a PDF in Acrobat, click the Background button in the Edit panel, and then select the Remove command from the button's drop-down menu. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation message box that appears to confirm your choice to remove the page background. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.